Okay, let's change this fraction into a decimal. Now, in order for us to do that, we need to take this fraction, divide the bottom to the top. But first, I wonder whether you notice what type of fraction that is. It's an improper fraction. How do we know? Because the numerator is bigger than the denominator, because that's smaller. 6 is bigger than 5. So let's go ahead and change this into a decimal. Now, the first thing we want to do to change into a decimal is divide the bottom number, the denominator, into the top, which is the numerator. So how do we do that? So it's 5, which is the bottom number, into 6. Now the good news is we don't need to use decimals yet, because 5 goes into 6, doesn't it? 5 goes into 6. How many times does 5 go into 6? It goes in one time. So it goes in one time. So 1 times 5 is 5. So we subtract 5 from 6. So 6 minus 5 is 1. That's our remainder. So remainder, you put it up here. Okay, now does 5 go into 1? Doesn't go. Now we use decimal points. Since 5 doesn't go into 1, you don't put a 0 there yet. First you put the decimal point. Now you can put a 0. Okay, now we're going to the realms of decimal points. So how many times does 5 go into 10 now? Goes in 2 times. There we go, 1.2. The decimal's on the right-hand side. The 2's on the right-hand side of the decimal. So 6 over 5 is equivalent to 1.2. And there you go.